y squared plus x minus y plus 4 equals 0. Ang dami naman. So, anong gagawin natin? Yung tinora mo na muna. Anong tawag doon? Partial. So, yung formula, negative ng partial x over negative and over partial y. So, ang gagamitin natin yung negative partial x over partial y. Okay na yan. Ako nakakaintindihan. So, magkakaroon tayo ng sa numerator, titreat natin yung y as variable, ay constant. So, lagay natin yung y squared na agad. Then, derive natin yung 5x squared. So, magiging 10x. Then, plus negative, ibig sabihin buo. Ganito to. Wait lang nga, intindihin ko na ng mabuti. Yung negative na ito, ganito siya dapat. So, ganyan dapat. So, ulitin natin, syempre. So, yung negative, kasi part siya ng formula eh. So, ito partial x mo sila. So, may ganyan. So, copy mo na kagad yung ginawa nating constant, ay coefficient na y squared. Then, derive mo yung 5x squared, magiging 10x. Then, derivative ng x cube, magiging 3x squared. Then, constant, kasi wala namang variable na katabi na x. Then, constant din yung 4. So, 0 sila parehas. Over yung partial of y. So, lahat ng variable, yung may x, gagawin natin silang tawag dito coefficient. So, kakapin natin yung 5x squared. Then, derivative ng 2 ng y squared. That is 2y. Then, constant. Then, derivative ng negative y. That is negative 1. Then, ayun. Then, simplify. So, magiging negative. Ay, diretso ko na pala. Multiply muna natin. 10xy squared plus 3x squared over, ito naman magiging 10x squared y minus 1. So, pag dinistribute natin yung negative sign, magiging negative 10xy squared minus 3x squared over 10x squared y minus 1. Kung gusto mo, okay na yan. Okay na yan. Ito na yung magiging y prime. Siyempre checking natin guys. So, pinagmamaino natin. Joke lang tayo na idol ulit eh. So, check natin. Check natin ito ni prop. So, meron tayong given 5x squared y squared plus x cube minus y plus 4 equals 0. So, try natin yung guys. So, magiging ano rin to ulit guys. Ano dito? Product rule. So, i-directa na natin. Para tayo mahirapan. Ito, madali lang naman yun. Basta, pag product rule, magkakaroon ka ng u b prime plus bu prime. So, yung u natin, that is 5x squared. Then, yung b is y squared. So, yung u, magiging 5x squared. Then, b prime, that is 2y. Pero dahil nag-derive tayo ng y, mag-y prime pa tayo. Then, plus, yung y squared, yung b natin. Then, derivative ng u, which is 5x squared, magiging 10x. Then, plus, derivative ng x cube, that is 3x squared. Then, derivative ng negative y, that is negative 1. Yan. Then, nag-derive tayo ng y, magkakaroon tayo ng y prime. Then, derivative ng constant is 0. So, equals 0 na. Then, simplify lang natin daw. So, magkakaroon tayo ng 5x squared times 2y times y prime. Magiging 10x squared y prime. Then, y squared times 10x. Magiging positive 10xy squared. Then, plus 3x squared. Ayan. Then, negative y prime equals 0. So, lahat ng may y prime pagkasamahin. Then, yung wala sa kabilang side. So, meron tayong 10x squared y prime minus y prime equals transpose. Magkapalit ng mga signs. So, may negative 10x y squared minus 3x squared. Then, factor out lang yung y prime. So, matitira dito is 10x squared y. Then, negative y prime divide y prime. Magiging negative 1 yan. Equals negative 10xy squared minus 3x squared. Then, divide both sides by this term. 10x squared y minus 1. 10x squared y minus 1. Then, eliminate na to. Titira na yung y prime. Which is, magiging negative 10xy squared minus 3x squared over 10x squared y is 1. And the moment of truth, tan-tananan. Ala, hindi fake news.